Alright, these are the elevators at the Hyatt Regency Berlin game. I'm just gonna make this a quick video. I don't want to get busted. Oh, this one.
Going up.
No, it's going up. Whoa. Who pressed all... Oh. Someone pressed all these buttons. Oh well.
9. Oh.
Doors closing. We're gonna have to stop on all the floors.
Second floor. Going up. Third floor. Going up.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Oh, I need to hit 4.
4? Okay, 4. 4.
9.
9.
Fourth floor. Going up. Ninth floor. Going down.
Close the goddamn doors. At least we didn't stop in 6 and
Eighth
7.
floor.
Oh great, we're stopping again.
Going down.
No one's out there. Oh my god. Alright, this video is longer than I expected. Let's take a cab view. Very, very nice elevator. 2. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Okay.
Lobby.
Alright, and that's
Going
it.
up.